Okay, so here's another video all about Miss Amryss. Look at that glare. Super glare. Super sweet, super pregnant. But first off, let me say that my hair came out a very Targaryen-esque color. And this was a onesie. There's the tail. And there's the top. It is a angel unicorn onesie. I cut it, and it doesn't really look that cut. Oops. Anyways, on to the kitty time. I got this new vacuum. It's really cool. Please excuse my foot. And Ambrose is not a big fan. Not a big fan. She was smacking it really hard until I started the camera. She has an innate ability to notice, okay, the camera's rolling. She's too much. But yeah, I got this cordless Aposen vacuum. It's a stick vacuum, but it can also be taken apart completely and just be handheld. It's got different attachments for that. The stick also extends. It's pretty powerful. It only lasts about 30 minutes. She's really not a big fan of it. So excuse the noise in the background. That's the air conditioning. It's a loud buzz. Anyways. It's basically just her glaring at it now. She's a great glarer. Like, super pro. She does not trust the vacuum. She's wise to not trust the vacuum. Peacefully laying down, guarding her cat toy. And then she hides behind her cat toy. See, you can see the top part there. The top part is completely removable from the extendable stick. So it's good for cleaning out cars, couches, crevices, and then floors like such. And she's really good at attacking it. That's pretty much all the attacks we get at the. I think she's pretty big on laying down right now. She's so pregnant. Poor baby. I'm ready for these kittens. But anyways, highly recommend the vacuum. Cats don't. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.